Right, outside now with this little mini 18th two-wheel drive. Doesn't like long grass, that's for sure. It moves. It's difficult because it's all or nothing steering, but the throttle's either on or off. For a little tiny toy grade, it's not that bad. I mean, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of juice in the battery. Chantal. But for a little tiny cheap RC, that actually works not too badly. Okay, it bounces quite a bit, but for a nice little basic chassis, it's not bad. I mean, that was the only power that happened to be in the one of the two 3.7s that was included. I've seen plenty of toy grades, but not one that actually moves that fast. That's surprisingly fast for a little toy grade car. The body shell and the wings are really quite a hard plastic. They're not Lexan. Sealed wheels, don't know what if they're going to be a hex drive. I'll try taking a wheel off and see. I wonder if that's possibly a 5mm hex. Yeah, jack it up a bit. Maybe put, if it fits, MND 90 tyres in the back. Dragster it. Oh well. For what it is, that's a nice little buggy. Granted, the all or nothing steering doesn't really help you much, but assuming this is quite cheap, then it may well be worth getting hold of one, just for messing about with. I'll see what the practicalities are going to be for maybe upgrading the electronics. I think a little 20 or 30 amp Chinese ESC will do. You'd need to add your own receiving gear right enough, but yeah, it might be a fun little project. Right, well, that's all for today. A little quick test run. So please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye for now.